Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how do we restore the deleted records in MSCRM. So for that, what you have to do, you have to enable the recycle bin feature in the MSCRM. Currently, the feature is in under the preview. Under the preview meaning, the Microsoft officially not yet released. It is still in the trial period. I think they are still developing and not officially released. So for that, what you have to do, you have to log into the Power Platform admin portal. Enter this URL admin.powerplatform.onmicrosoft.com and provide your login details. You make sure provide your login details, username like onmicrosoft.com and password. Click on the environments and select the environment. Once it is loaded, you select the settings and then select the product and select features. You just scroll down. You can see the enable recycle bin for the dataverse tables. I already enable and you can see it is disabled state when you are open first time and click on the enable and provide the interval. How many days you want to keep the deleted records? The max you can provide 30 days. So the deleted records will be available in the recycle bin up to 30 days. After 30 days, they will be auto deleted. Yeah, once you enable this one, then you log into the CRM and enable the auditing at system level. For that, what you have to do, you have to navigate to the system settings, open the system settings, and select the auditing. Make sure you enable the auditing at system level. So let it load. Yeah, you select the auditing and you have to start the auditing at system level first. I already started. Then what you have to do, you have to create any record. I'm going to create one of the record in out of the box entity account. Click on save. Yeah, the record is saved. Next step, what we have to do, we will delete this record. Okay, I'm going to delete this record. This is the one we created, right? I selected and click on delete. Yeah, the record is deleted. Next step, what we have to do, we have to navigate to the Power Platform, again, admin Power Platform, and open the environment and click on settings. And you can see the data management, expand this one and select the view deleted records. It will show you the list of deleted records. And the one which we have deleted just now, right? So we will see the record is available here. Yeah, you see the record is available. Select this record. So this is the one we deleted just now. Select this one and click on the restore. Yeah, the record is restored and we will navigate back to the accounts list and refresh here. As of now, we don't see that record. We have only 5 records. I refresh here. Yeah, I can see the deleted records back to my list. Yeah, this is how we can restore the deleted records. Yeah, thanks everyone. Bye.